Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Click, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we are introducing our new family of OpenAI connectors, allowing organizations to integrate generative AI content directly into their analytics apps and app automation workflows. Users can now utilize our new real-time OpenAI Analytics connector to embed generative AI content within their analytics apps for natural language context and insights, synthesizing data for supplemental analysis, and asking questions using data from Click, allowing direct engine-level data exchange as the user clicks. In addition, organizations can now use the same power directly in their business process and automation workflows with our new OpenAI connector blocks in Click Application Automation. The new Click Application Automation OpenAI connector blocks can be configured to send questions that return results and write back into business processes and/or source systems. These connectors support a variety of use cases such as data ops, sales, marketing, and many more. For more information on the Analytics connector, please see our companion videos. And that is your SaaS in 60. To watch more in 60, check out the SaaS in 60 playlist in our YouTube channel, and be sure to visit the Click Learning portal at learning.click.com, your one-stop shop for all your learning needs.